Good morning, Grandma. Good. Morning. Grandma, did you sleep well?
I made tea for you.
I made tea for you. The tea smells nice.
Oops! I dropped a cookie.
Can I have cookies too?
Let's water the plants. Let's water the plants. This flower is beautiful. Come inside now. Come inside now.
Oh no! My shoes are wet. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Can you cut the tomatoes?
The soup smells amazing.
Oops! Too much salt.
This cartoon is so funny. Please bring my glasses. Please bring my glasses. Can we watch TV later?
Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Where is your book? Where is your book?
Look at the cute dog.
The park looks lovely today. The park looks lovely today. I'm a little tired.
Do you want some juice?
Yes, thank you.
I like spending time with you.
Thank you for helping me.
Mine is chocolate. Mine is chocolate.
Let's buy ice cream. Oops, my ice cream is melting.
Today was fun.
Today was fun.
Good night, Grandma.